Okay, we're here at Tim Hortons again, and I submitted another authorization code for the Hanover River. This time I put in 90 meter height. So let's see what happens here. Now Timmy's trying to activate my license that I got in the email. And we're going to go to the GoFly app. I don't have an SD card in, which is fine. Oops, I forgot. So we'll go up to there. The settings, and we'll go to unlock GEO Zone. I'm on the internet, and number of licenses total, 2 of them I have. So confirm, imported successfully. Look at my licenses, and the new one I applied for was Hanover River Park. So I'm gonna hit that button, agree and agree. And agree. And that one's turned on this time, and the other one turned off. So you can only have one activated, obviously. Go to valid. And my valid is this area on the map. Now I'm on my tablet, so it takes a while to get in, and that's the area. So in the dead center of that circle is where I want to fly. Okay, so let's back it up. Back it up one. Get out of here. There we go. No SD card. So there we go. Now the tablet is a little laggy, as you can see, but we're all set to go. So we're going to go out to the park and start her up, and I'm going to use the tablet this time with my homemade, whatever it is. It's here somewhere. The tablet holder, and this is the Teclast P80Pro. Very cheap tablet, 3 gigabytes. It's not bad. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we'll just end this video and we'll see you at the park. Okay, we're back at the park, and as you can see, it says takeoff permitted. And I've got my Teclast P80 on my homemade holder, and I found an SD card. It was in the tablet, so I took it out of the tablet. So what we're going to do is we're going to check to see if I've got unlock GEO Zone and import. Let's see what we got here. We're valid for the river park, so we're good. So we're going to go to the card, and we're going to format the card. Let's try if we can format the card this way in the camera. And SD card format. Format. Formatting. 16 gig card. It's only a U1, so we're going to see what happens there. And we're going to switch to the... Whoa, look at that. I lost all the snow off the front of the windshield. So we're going to go to the video. And we're going to go 25 frames per second at 1080p. And everything is... it's unlocked auto EV, so it'll change. So we're going to do a locked... Well, we're fine. We're fine there. Good. So the next is to take off. So I'm going to step out of the truck and launch it and see what happens. It says takeoff permitted. And we have 14 satellites. A little hard to see there. So let's take it out. Go from there. Permitted.
off.
There we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Let's go forward a bit and turn around so you can see us. There we go. Aim down a bit and come forward. So let's just go around here a little bit and turn around and come down. So here we are, and here you can see me plain as day, and you can see my tablet, and that's the whole thing there. That's how it looks. Okay, so let's go and see if we've got the 90 meters. And I'm checking at the bottom. It says half a meter. Well, I released it from my hand and it was 1.5 meters off the ground, so there you go. So let's just go. There we go. And we'll go here. Let's start the video. Start the video. Remember to stop the video this time. We'll go back a bit and raise it up. Okay, so it's in a clear spot, and we're going to go up. And we're going to see if our ceiling. Let's raise that camera up a bit and get a little bit of area where we're at here. There we go. And we'll go up. Remember the last one we had was 25 meters? That's 22 meters. There's 25 meters. Can we go higher? Yep. So it's going to let us go all the way up to 90. So let's go up. Let's go up and up and up and up and up. 37, 40. 60, 75, 80, and it should stop at 90. There you go, stop at 90, won't go any higher. Let's bring it down again. And we're gonna just bring it down to 75. It's a beautiful day. It's a little bit of a breeze, but not too much. We'll go over the river a little bit and have a look at that. But I want to bring it down to about 30 so I can check out over the river. There it is. 30. There we go, about that. So let's go out across the river. And we're in P mode, so that's the middle of the river somewhere. And we look at the river that way. To walk a little bit here to, there it is. Just bring it down. And fly to the river. I can see it right there. Now we're below the tree line, but I can see it. And we'll go across. There we go. There we go. There, look at that river. Beautiful. Closer. Turn around. This is 25 frames per second, so that should be a little blurry. There's the bridge. So let's go to the bridge. Not that fast. Nice and slow. There you go. Okay. And we're going to hit a home, but we better check first to see what's our home situation. It is set at 50 meters. Okay, so let's hit a return to home.
Go home.
And it should raise up to 50 meters. Which it is. It's going up to 39, 40, 50 meters. There we go. And it's going to return home. I hear the beeping, but on the recording you probably won't. And remember to stop the automatic return. You just have to click that button one more time. It's right above me. Look at that, eh?
Landing.
It's landing. It's coming down. Nice and slow. So this is going to be interesting. It's a U1 card. It's old. It's been there. It's a SanDisk, but it's old. It's been in there for, well, probably a year or more. Yeah, it's within a meter or so. So I'm going to stop it now. Click it once, and continue to bring it down by hand. There we are. Where are we? Here we are. Look at that. Look at all the snow that fell off of the roof of the truck. There we go. So, yeah. So this morning I applied for this altered license. Now let's bring this in here. Let's bring... There we go. So this morning I applied, and at 7:30 I think it was this morning, and within 2 minutes they replied back, and then 2 minutes later I got another reply saying I was authorized. And I'm authorized to fly at this park, and there's the name of the park, or the project where we're at. Come back to me here. And what happened was they approved it, and when I filled out the form, all I did was put in, just for fun, I'm a drone pilot, and you have to send them a file. I just sent them a picture of the Mini, and it was authorized. So I'm assuming that these blue zones are robotically answered. So it's, nobody's checking them, nobody's doing anything, it's just automatic. So if you put in anything under 120 meters, which is the ceiling height for Ontario or Canada, then you'll get approved. So that was it. Great. So this is great. Everything works. I can fly around, and I'm going to stop the onboard video now because I didn't do that last time. And the Teclast does really well. It's not the best. It's only 3 GB RAM, 4 GB preferred. I'm going to bring it in and do a hand catch. Just bring it down a bit, hand catch, and there we go. Put this to my chest here, grab, and there we go. We're off. So that was very successful. Very successful.